Hi, this is Tamika with Patience Pumps and Pine. I'm here with a Plan With Me video in my Fitness Bujo planner for the week of April the 3rd through April the 9th. I am going to be doing a rainy day themes for April. I am not a fan of rainy days whatsoever, but once again, I'm trying to use my stuff. So I do have some stuff left of this rainy days kit by Planners Anonymous. I have a few stickers left, some papers. I've got washi tape, some die cuts and quote cards. This is a notepad. It's not a sticky notepad, but I've used these several times as boxes to write things in. So, yeah, so I've got a lot to work with still, even though the kit seems to be dwindling down, but I have things. I'm going to use these two sticker books from Mojo Jojo Plans for boxes. And I'm going to get started by cutting this paper down. It's going to go in my quote page. And then I just thought about something. There's something else I need to print that I didn't print yet. This part here might be out of frame because it's going to be hard to get my whole cutter in frame. But yeah, I just thought about, I was supposed to print something, so I'm going to have to go do that. And then I will be ready to get started. Alright, so this is going to be on the quote page. I was trying to limit all the work that I'm doing right now because I'm not feeling well. So I was trying to limit how much I have to actually do myself. And by printing a lot of things or using papers, using stickers, that's just going to make it a little easier for me. So let me go get what I need to get from the printer and I'll be right back. All right, so I got my calendar page. I just used Canva to create this April 2023 calendar. As I stated, I did not want to make this too difficult on myself because I'm not feeling well. The allergens have really gotten me. I've had to go to the doctor, get an allergy shot and all that good stuff. Yep. Allergens are not playing nice. And the doctor told me that allergies are going to be bad this year. So in other words, deal with it. Strap on your big girl panties and know that there's more to come. Apparently, there's going to be more to come with the allergens. Alright, so we've got tape runner on this. Let's go ahead and open up to our page. Okay, before I put that down, do this. All right, I'm going to try to center this as best as I can. Put it right there, and then I'm going to take this wide washi tape. It has a row of houses, and you can see the rain falling. The rain is in gold foil. And I thought I would add an umbrella as an accent to this. Let me have a page of them. So let's add this yellow one to bring in a little contrast in the color there. Alright, so that page is done. Then I'm going to take this that I cut and we're going to put tape runner on it. I'm going to be needing to get some more tape runner. But really, I need to check and see if I already have some, because I probably do have, if not that brand, another brand. I need to just clean this space, and I'm sure I'll find a whole lot of things that I actually have. All right, I'm going to use our corner rounder. So sometimes that doesn't trim as nicely as I would like it to. I've noticed that, but I'm just gonna tidy it up with the scissors here. And then let's round on this corner. Okay, that corner did better. Did a lot better. All right, so that's done. And what I thought to put here was a quote. So I'm gonna go over here in the Spring Memories book, because there were quotes about rain in here, or a few quotes about rain. And the obvious is April showers brings May flowers, right? That's just like the obvious to use. So I'm going to use that. And we're going to situate that within here. I just need something that says April. I don't know if I can have anything that says April. Let me go into this dates and holidays book. Hopefully I still have. There we go. April. And we're just going to put it down here. There we go. That's going to be my calendar page. And, excuse me, my quote page. I think I cut that too large. Whoops. All right. No big deal, right? No big deal. Okay, so now here's going to be our stat pages. So I'm going to use the boxes for those. And these colors aren't perfect matches, but they're close enough. And that's what I'm going to use. So I'm going to put this one down for my specs. And then I'm going to put, is that the right blue? I think that was the right blue. I thought this yellow matched best. I don't have a big one of that yellow for my steps. Okay, I wonder if I can get this. I'm just gonna leave it. So we're just gonna, I don't want any problems. Ugh, no problems. We're gonna take this one and we'll use this for steps. And then I'm going to use a smaller yellow box. Well, let's use this one for goals. Use this one. I kind of wanted to alternate the colors. So let's go back over here. Hopefully I have that color lined. Yes, I do. It's all, wait a minute. Yeah, that's not gonna work the way I'm thinking everything's gonna work. So I'm just, I'm going to go back with the yellow one. I know. Believe me, I know. This is crazy. But it's the way my brain is working right now, and I have to switch this color out. So I'm going to put this one back. I'm going to go take a box this size. We're going to put it here for period tracking. Okay, and then go back over here and get a yellow line box. So I'm going to be able to alternate the colors because of the box sizes that I needed. So we'll use this one for golds. And I'm going to take my Tombow. Okay, over here. I might have been out of frame a minute ago writing the word goals, and I apologize if that was the case. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some of the washi. I'm going to use this one that has florals on it, and you could see the rain on the florals. So I'm going to use some of this. In the spread here, and then I have this one that is like individual raindrops. So I'm gonna put a few of these in different places just to add some rain, since it is a rainy day spread, right? Oop, tore that one too quickly. Let's see. So then we'll add some on this page. Oops, messed that one up too. I'm trying to go too fast. Okay. All right, so we've got a few raindrops. I wanted to add some other elements on this page. So let's see. I can add a couple more umbrellas. Okay, so we could do that. I think I'm liking that the way that it is. It's pretty simplified, and I think we're gonna stick with that. Yeah. Okay, so let's go to our first weekly setup. And so what we're gonna do for this, I'm going to use, let's bring in the green. I'm gonna use those, and then I have some date dots. I have the dates that I need. So we'll use these for our days of the week. Five, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Oh, and there's already a habit tracker too. Perfect. All right, so I had not decided what all I was going to put on this page. I do know that I want to put this and I want to put her. So I'm going to add these and then work around each of them. Put that there. Normally I do not use these cards from the older kits with the girls on them, but I'm just trying to use my stuff, so I'm gonna use it today. So we're gonna put her there. Awesome. And then let's go in with our days of the week. I don't know how I'm gonna situate this as far as spacing is concerned. What I was thinking of doing, since I have these, but I don't want to use all that tape right now. I think I'll use these in a different weekly spread. I think that's what I'll do. And then let's do Thursday here. Friday here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Saturday. And I guess I could do Sunday over here. I won't have a lot of room for it though. But that's fine. That will work. So I think I want to use this washi again at the bottom. Let's just put it all the way across on the bottom. Uh-oh, where's my washi cutter? It's around here somewhere. Here it is. So we'll do this. And then over here. Okay, so I need to cut. Okay. Oh, rainy days. I'm going to try to use as much of this kit as possible. Alright, so I need my habit tracker. Put my habit tracker right here. And then I have this quote that says "Dance in the Rain." I'm going to put that right here. Alright, so to jazz this up some, I'm going to add a few other elements. So I have some rain boots. We're going to put those down here in this corner. We have some closed umbrellas. And we can add a couple of those around the spread. Excuse me. Okay. Now, I think, yes, that's what I'm going to do. I want to add some minis. Now, I have stickers that are rain puddles. But that one's really too big for the minis, I think. Okay, I have a smaller one. It's actually 2 small little pieces. Isn't that interesting? So we're going to put here and here. And then I'm going to put a mini. Well, he's a bigger mini, so let's use him. We're going to list him right there. Okay. Then we have these two minis under the umbrella. I also have some peekaboo minis, but I don't have anything to attach them to since I didn't use boxes. So I'm not going to use those. Let's see. I have this one. She's dancing on a puddle. We'll put her there. And then this one, she's got an umbrella. We'll put her there. You know what? I'm going to switch. Nope, I'm going to leave it. I was thinking about switching them out because she looks like she's more so dancing in the rain than she does. But this is like the mini of her, and I don't want them on the same page. I know. It's just a thing. It's a thing. It's a thing for me, guys. It's a thing. I have these plant stickers that I don't really use. Let's just add some of these in. What are we trying to do? Use our stickers. What are we trying to do? Use our stickers. Yes. So add those in. That really helped add something to the page. All right. I think this is it because I do need to keep this functional because I really do have to log my food diary in here. And so, yeah, we're going to leave it at this. Let's go back and do a flip through real quick. I'm glad that I took the route that I did. So before I do the flip through, let me just show you some of the things I still have left to work with. So of course I have 3 washi tapes and I've used all 3. I have these quote cards because they're 4 weeks and I've got 3 weeks left. I have one to use in each of my weeks, which is great. If I need to cut them down or fussy cut them, I can. I have these notepads. They're not sticky notepads, but I can adhere them with tape runner and use them for my boxes. So I have those. I have paper that I can use. And when I have some other papers too. And I have stamps. Now I'm really happy that I use that other paper, that seam paper, because I don't usually use those. But yeah, so I do have all of this other stuff that I can still use. So let's do a quick flip through. All right, so here we go. Here's April again. I printed this out. From Canva. I made that calendar in Canva. Then I put it in Word so I could size it exactly the way that I wanted it. And then I cut it out in Word. I'm going to put these clouds up here because it feels like it's missing something. Okay, so here's our calendar page. Here's our quote page. I used some of the paper from the kit, added these 2 stickers on there, which was very simple and easy to do. I did cut off more than I needed to down here, but that is okay. I have my specs, my goals, my period tracker, and my steps. And I added the raindrop washi tape so you can see some of the raindrops throughout. I don't think I'm going to add anything else to these pages. I could add some rain boots. Look at me. I don't know when to stop. I'm going to add some rain boots here in the corner because they're cute. And I'm going to add them on the steps box because, hey, perfect place. There we go. I promise I'm not going to add anything else. All right, so we have all the space that we need to track these things. Then we go into our first week. I've used the date covers and the habit tracker for my water. A lot of the small little icon stickers and the mini stickers and a Dance in the Rain sticker that I got from Amber Plans Her Day. This was one of the die cuts, Jumpin' Puddles, so I added that, and I added the card that had the girl of the kit, so I went ahead and added her in as well. So comment below, let me know what you think about this flip through. I'm wondering if I actually have enough stuff to cover me for 3 more weeks, but I think because I use a lot of the space functionally, if I incorporate a lot of the paper, that's gonna help, and then I won't overdo it. But let me know what you think about using a rainy day sticker kit, because there's no way I would want to sit and keep drawing rain and rain clouds and rain boots. I'm not gonna try and do that. I think this works just fine. Also, guys, don't forget to slay, subscribe, like, and accept the alerts so you don't miss any videos. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.